Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to show you the Supernova Hotel Rotterdam, right in the heart of the city. This stylish boutique hotel combines modern comfort with creative design, and it's within easy reach of many of Rotterdam's top attractions. I'll take you on a tour of the room, show you the cozy lounge space, and we'll also check out the breakfast to see what's on offer in the morning. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any of our adventures. Let's get started.